All right, OB, this is Brohawk down in Texas. This is my '09 Ultra Classic. I had the 14-inch chrome hangers added, plus the braided lines, and then that Rinehart intake that I think we talked about as well. And then of course, got that Cobra Pro Center. All right, so let's check it out. Of course, this is sound coming off my phone, but dude, this thing rocks and rattles. It is just insane. This thing has got so much power. I'm loving it. Loving the Rinehart with the stage 1 added. All right, brother, appreciate the sale, man.